Welcome back to the Jeep Liberty Complete Teardown. Today we're going to be yanking out this windshield wiper motor. So this hood is going to get in your way while you do this. Go ahead and prop it up all the way open. Be sure to tie it down so it doesn't fall down and bonk you in the head while you're working on it. Let's start with the wipers first. Remove the cap. Then remove the nut. Now just remove the wiper arm. Here's what reality looks like when you remove the wiper arm. I really don't recommend doing it this way. Now these little guys can be a pain, but just stay at it, they'll eventually pop out. Now you have 4 plastic rivets. These are a lot easier to get out. Just grab something, pry out the center pin, then after that, they pretty much fall out. Here's the wrong way to do it. If you pry at them, they will snap. Somebody didn't film removing the cowl, so I reshot it even after the wiper motor was removed. As you can see, there is a row of clips. These clips kind of slide underneath the windshield, so when you're pulling out the cowl, pull it down and then pull it out. Now that you have access to the wiper motor, go ahead and undo the wiring pigtail. Now all you have left are a few bolts. That's it. She's free. But stick around. We're going to remove every nut and bolt off of this Jeep Liberty.